Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your graphic quality settings on the Call of Duty mobile game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the game, then go ahead and open it up first. And once the game is fully loaded, you can modify your settings by tapping on the menu icon at the top right corner, which is alongside the friend icon. Then you can tap on the settings option and this will take you into the settings page. From the settings page, tap on audio and graphics, and now within the audio and graphics page, you will find the graphic quality settings. Now depending upon your phone hardware, you will be able to choose between low, medium and high. Just tap on whichever graphic quality you wish to use, and then you can also change the frame rate. After choosing your frame rate, you have the option to choose your graphic style. For Battle Royale mode, you can choose between realistic, dynamic, standard and nostalgia. You also have the option to customize color by tapping on the customize color option. And once you choose your desired setting, it will immediately be applied the next time you start your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your graphic quality settings on the Call of Duty game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.